Hey guys, welcome to today's stream. In the last stream, we were building this investment screen. We have added this graph, and I said that we will continue with this today. So let's do that. Um, and I have some issues with my iOS simulator. There is an update which has to be installed, and without it I cannot continue. So we will look at the desktop app today. If you see in the design, the investments, instead of vertical, all the cards are horizontal, um, compared to the mobile. So let's just go here to the investment screen, and this investment tiles. So this liver list. Okay, what I'm trying to see is if there is an axis. Okay, that's not the case. So list view has the scroll direction. I thought the sliver list might also have it. This is the grid. Let's do it like this. We will change this widget investment tiles sliver list into this layout grid. That is because we want it to be converted as the horizontal when in desktop, and vertical when in mobile. No. Okay, then let's quickly move it. Let's return the layout grid. This is the column sizes. And so it's rendering nothing. It should be error here. And now we'll define the areas. So this is let me say total, number and rate. Now the namings are not that good. Then on FR, FR, row sizes, auto. And after that we will have the children. So this one, with the grid placement total. Okay, grid area. Okay. So here I have said there are 3, but I have only given 2. That's why it's complaining. Okay. Yeah. And this error is because it's not a sliver widget. So let me just quickly convert it. Just have to go back and come here. See, now we have it. Then we have to add other widgets as well. So the Copilot has done it for me, and I want the column gap to be 24. Okay. There is only one row, that's why I have specified this. Now for the mobile layout it will be like this. Sorry, the row size should be 3, right? So there will be like 3 rows. This will be in row. Okay. So why it failed? Because when I switched these here, the areas, they are not proper, so they should have been like this. And this is the column size. There is only one column, and still it is not showing up at all. Okay. Something is wrong here. This is working, but the other way around it is not working. Let's have three columns. Let's say let's define mobile, desktop. Currently I have a desktop version here. Can be a constant. Total number. Okay. It should have one column. When it is mobile, it should have only one column with one FR, and the rows will be 3. Okay, see, there we have it. I will also have mobile columns. This is not this is an extension, and it cannot be a const. This is mobile row sizes. Desktop has only one row. So now I'm on mobile row size. Mobile column sizes, and the row gap would be the same, 24. Yes, we have it correctly. We need to handle them in a better way. So what I will do is actually the column sizes, it can be kept the same with 3 columns, and we have to just change this one. So first will be occupied by the total, second will be the number, and third will be the rate. So now even if it is the case, and for the rows we can have like column sizes. Okay, This says mm, so in yeah, so this is the mobile one. It will have layout like this. Okay, yes. Now column sizes, we don't have to have a separate things. Then we don't need this. Now it comes to desktop row size. There is one row in desktop, while 3 rows in case of the mobile. So in this case, if the desktop which has one, so if I just do this and now if I switch it, yes, that's it. At the same thing again, we don't have to worry about this. We just have to make sure that we define the grid area properly. This is working same as how our CSS grid works. So now we need to find out which is it mobile or let's have layout. We need from the breakpoint package the responsive breakpoints. Responsive let me look at the other things. Here have we used it? Okay, it's responsive breakpoints, node of context. If it is smaller than desktop, then it is mobile, or else, yeah, works for me. Now if we go here, do I need to hot reload or something? Okay, let's see. There is a bit of an overflow here. If you see, that is fine. Smaller than or equal to desktop. Okay, then it we have one more size, right? Small desktop. Let's just use that. When it comes to this, there is still overflow. We should decrease the gaps here. That's causing the problem. Now very little overflow. At this exact point. Okay, let me go to this home page and the slide drawer. This is smaller than desktop. We will have the slide drawer. Okay. So it is okay, 1201, and our small screen starts from 1201. Small desktop, it is equal. Okay. If I just have a 2 and then 3 here. Okay, I still see the issue. No, it has gone. Okay. And yeah, of course, if it gets too small, it will overflow and cause the issue, but that's fine. Okay, we saw how to adjust this layout. Next is this one, size box height. Yeah, fine. Then the monthly revenue and this widget. So you should know that when you um, when you use this responsive breakpoints, right? So it will re-render when that breakpoint is hit. So that's why you have to be careful, um, and therefore I'm building this here. I think we can go with this. The thing is, if anyway this is a stateless component, if it is getting rebuilt, then uh, this is fine. If its parent gets rebuilt, here home screen, then everything is rebuilt again. Let me confirm. Hello. See. Okay, this is overflowed. Okay, we don't have it. Then, yeah, I was right in the beginning. I can just have it. Then, if it is not rebuilding, it is fine to have it in a variable or to return it here. What's my idea is, uh, so this breakpoint, responsive breakpoint, row column, this is the layout, responsive column type. Now this is a column, right? And we can have monthly revenue here, one more widget here. Wrap in and sliver to box adapter. Okay, this is fine. Let me add one more here. Hello. Okay. Wait, I should be seeing it here. This is a column. There is, okay, here it is. It's because of the column cross alignment. Okay, it can be row also, then it will come here, and this row flex can be 1. This fit okay, now you see this, right? So what we need to do is, and let me tell you this, let me show you instead. When this is switched right, the row and column switches, it will be rebuilt. Responsive breakpoint value, value responsive breakpoints, if it is smaller than desktop column, it's row, and this is a const, that's why it's throwing error. We'll make it const here. Okay, now if I resize this at one point, it becomes a column, and if you see, the widget is rebuilt again, but we don't want that to happen. So we will do revenue, monthly revenue, since I'm not passing anything from the and the other widget which comes here will be investment. So this is the revenue, this is the total. Okay, I can just return total here. So now what will happen, even if you resize it, it should not rebuild, but it's getting rebuilt. One reason I can think of is this itself is okay. Next, see, this was triggered multiple times, so it's getting rebuilt. Well, converting this into stateful widget solve the problem. Okay, I'll go to investments. We have two times, sorry, created and build. Created got triggered, and building monthly revenue is triggered once, so there is no difference, and it is because of this. Somehow we can solve this. Let's look at the other widgets we have added here. The one particular one where this is this one, responsive value. This is what we need. You can go here, layout, responsive value, condition is smaller, default value is keep it as column. Then so if the breakpoint is condition dot smaller than, I can just use the name. What I have done is smaller than desktop here, right? Smaller than small desktop, and when larger, I just don't have to specify anything here. This will become, when it is smaller it will become a column, when it is bigger it will become a row. I can just remove this, that should work. Now let's try to resize, ignore the error. Is it still getting rebuilt? Yes. It can be just a stateless widget. Okay, well, that's not a problem. It's fine if it is getting rebuilt again. So that's it, guys. So that's how we convert the layout. And so we have to get into that thinking, like how we can restructure from one device to the other. Only then we will be able to do it. When comparing it to CSS, I really found that the browser does a lot of things for us. Now what I'll do is adapt the investment screen UI to desktop. That's it. I'll push the code. I'll end the stream with this today. If you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, please put them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. And if you have any suggestions also, please let me know in the comments, and I'll meet you again in the next stream, and we will continue building our application. Until then, bye.